Well, it's raining right now, and I'm just laying here listening to the rain until I get my next order. It is somewhat calm and relaxing. But of course, once my app dings or whatever, I will get up and we listen to a podcast, some more music, and then go to whatever restaurant they want me to go to. Yeah, just listening to nothing or the rain or something is some of a nice way to de-stress, get your mind off your problems. So how does everyone out there de-stress? I've been getting a lot of great orders today. I just dropped off a little over $20 order, and it was even that far. It was just like maybe 2 or 3 miles. But of course, when I drop off the order, if I don't have an order, then I just find a nice big parking lot to park in, or if I don't know of any parking lots nearby, drive 1 or 2 blocks and just park on some side street to try to get my next order, or until I go home. Or if I figure this area or zone is not busy enough, see what area or zone I'm nearby that might be busy. Well, I'm just gonna lay here and see you guys later.